Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hi everyone, this is Chef Mark and I'm at Appliance Factory and I'm here to talk about the future of our homes. Now, in Colorado and many other western states, we're seeing a drive to move all of our home to electric. So that would certainly mean cooking in the kitchen, but also things like hot water heaters and furnaces. Now, I'm not an expert in hot water heaters or furnaces, but I will admit that I do have an electric water heater in my home right now, and it works great. I love it. Water on demand, it's always there, and it's extremely energy efficient. In the next 3 to 5 years, we're going to start seeing a mandate for our cooking appliances to use electric as opposed to gas. I love gas. It's what I prefer to cook on myself. So what does this mean for a passionate cook who doesn't want to let go of their gas range? Well, we've got some great technology that's going to help you at home, and that would be induction. Whether you're familiar with the standard good old flat top cooking or induction, induction is going to be the best way to go. It's extremely energy efficient, and it has the power and control of gas. It also doesn't create its own heat. So what that means is that you can use less ventilation in your home when you're cooking on induction. Now there is a budding technology, and it's organic gas. So things like methane that comes out of landfills. There's some research into making this methane go into our standard gas lines, able to run things like our hot water heaters, our furnaces, and our cooking appliances without using fossil fuel energy. And that might extend the life of your gas range. Do you have to run out and replace your gas range in 3 to 5 years? No, that's not really the point of this. The point is that going forward, we're going to see more and more electrification, certainly of automobiles and our home as well. So if you're thinking about a new home, building a new home, you know what I would do, my recommendation is make sure that you run both the gas line and the proper electrical line to places where you run gas appliances. In my home, when I purchased it, I had the option for both electric and gas. I love having gas, but in the future, when it comes time to upgrade my appliances, certainly induction is on the table. Whether you're all set, you have a new home, or you have electric appliances, hot water heater, furnace in your home already, or it's something that you need to keep an eye on in the future, my recommendation is just be thinking about it. You know, most of the appliances have a 20-year lifespan, so if you're getting close to the end of that lifespan, maybe, you know, keep an eye on upgrading to electric so that you don't have to worry about it going forward when it becomes no longer a recommendation, but maybe a mandate. Make sure you're tuned in, because I'm going to have updates and more news about what it's going to mean in the future. Make sure you have an electrified house. Thanks for tuning in. This is Chef Mark.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.